Hello traders, welcome to Trade Culture's daily market analysis video. Let's discuss how market performed yesterday. So it was a big bearish bar. All of the indices bleeds a lot. Let's talk about Nifty day chart. Nifty formed a very big bearish bar. Let's see how tomorrow the price action can perform in Nifty. This is Nifty's 15-minute chart. As you can see, we have seen a sharp decline in the prices after the opening, but in the last few hours the price slowed down, and in the last two candles the price started to form a pullback. So now tomorrow's opening will be a little bit tricky, but it will go a little bit more up for a pullback, and then it might take a rejection from the upper resistance line or from the exponential moving average levels. So we will see a little bit of range bound movement in the first half, and then a downfall can be expected in the second half of the market. That's all for Nifty. Follow for more future updates.